Candidate number 14, your question. And judges, kindly please write down your scores. Hold lang po. Do you have a microphone with you po? We'll wait for the microphone para diretso po tayo. Okay, may timer po ba tayo naka-ready dyan? Okay. The question that the judges have agreed on is here. I'm going to repeat the question twice, and then you answer the question. Do you think social media is shaping the values of today's youth more than parents and schools? Defend your answer. Once again, do you think social media is shaping the values of today's youth more than parents and schools? Please defend your answer.
To be honest, no matter what the question is po, what I've learned here in this pageant is one thing po, that is always choose kindness. Because I believe that life is not a coincidence. It is an echo of what we invest. So let us invest kindness, because kindness is the investment that never fails. With kindness in our heart and in our minds, we will be the reason of positive change in our community. Thank you.